What's up everyone, it's Benjamin's Bay here with another LEGO video, one of my last re-uploads for some older mocks, in this case featuring a very wide selection of Toa tools. Some of these you may already have seen in my earlier videos on my Toa mocks, but others have never been used and stand on their own. And the reason I've included a few of the tools a second time is because of some epic photos that didn't get uploaded on this channel before. I'm going to provide you with a nice slideshow with some killer music on the background and let the images speak for themselves. But before we start, as usual, the instructions and part lists for these models are all available for free via the link in the description below. So here we go.